Hello everyone, you're watching Blackboard. In this video, we're going to discuss about ASCP, that what is this organization, what is the worth of its certification, and how to apply for the exam. So in short, you're going to get all the information you want. So shall we? The American Society for Clinical Pathology offers various certifications for medical laboratory professionals. The ASCP exam is recognized and valid in the United States, although there are some other international employers that may also acknowledge ASCP certification. The ASCP Board of Certification is responsible for administering these exams. A variety of certifications is available, including those for medical lab scientist, medical lab technician, histotechnician and histotechnologist, cytotechnologist, phlebotomy technician, and specialist certifications such as those for hematology, microbiology, and cytotechnology. The examination content guidelines and study guide is available at the website for the exam preparation. The exam is taken by computer adaptive testing. The time allocated and the number of questions vary according to the field chosen for the exam. For example, there are 100 questions for medical lab science in 2.5 hours, and for phlebotomy technician, there are 80 questions for 2 hours. Computer adaptive testing means that when a person correctly answers a question, the next question has a slightly higher level of difficulty. The difficulty level of questions continues to increase until a question is incorrectly answered. Then comes a slightly easier question. Here is an example that how this system works. The total score for the exam is 1000, and if you get 400 or above, congratulations, you have passed the exam. Once you have answered all the questions, you may immediately review your pass or fail status on the computer screen. Official score report from the BSc is available within a couple of days, and you may get a certificate within 60 days. A foreign transcript evaluation with US degree educational equivalency and course-by-course evaluation is required and is performed by foreign agencies on approximately $150 to $200. Then comes the examination fee, which depends upon the country and region of the applicant. For some countries, it's $200, while for applicants in resource-limited countries, the examination fee is reduced to $95. For Pakistan, it's $95 as well. Now, let's talk about the procedure to apply for the exam. Go to the website ascp.org. Click Login and create a new account if you do not have one. Fill in all the required information and click Create Account. You will get your customer ID this way. Scroll all the way down and click Board of Credentials. Then click Apply for Credential. A new page will open showing application process. You can check your eligibility through this page as well. Click on Get Credentialed. The certification exam process will let you know about the required documents. If you are a US citizen, click on US certification, otherwise click on international certifications. Click MLS if you are a medical lab scientist. Now, there are 5 different routes and you can select the route according to your education, training, or experience. Let me make the understanding of these 5 routes for ASCP easier for you. You can select Route 1 if you have completed your bachelor's degree from an approved institute and have 6 months to 1 year training experience in multiple departments during your academic years. Route 2 is for bachelor's degree holders in MLS with 3 years of experience in an accredited laboratory in all departments. Route 3 is for bachelor degree holders in MLS from an approved institute by ASCPi and 2 years of MLS internship program. Route 4 is for bachelor degree in biological sciences or chemistry with 5 years of experience in an accredited laboratory in all departments. Whereas Route 5 is for bachelor degree holders from an approved institute by ASCPi plus a 2-year diploma in biological sciences or chemistry with 5 years of experience in an accredited laboratory. There are 3 attempts available for each route. For example, if you fail the first exam for Route 1, you still have 2 more chances. And if unfortunately you cannot pass all the 3 attempts, then you have to take a break and gain experience. Then try again with a different route. The $200 for the evaluation of document is a one-time fee. But each attempt of the exam will cost you $95 or $200 as it depends upon your country or region. Here's where you can download your form for training documentation and to get your educational documents evaluated by foreign agencies, and it takes approximately $200. These are some acceptable agencies for evaluating foreign transcripts. Their website link is given here, and you can download the form from here, and all the information regarding the process and fees for evaluation is given on the form. Click on Apply Now and then on International Certification. Write your active email address, check the box and click OK. You will receive an email that will look like this. Click here and update your contact information. Click Next and choose the category you want, like International Medical Lab Scientist and Route 1. Then click your country and click Next. Add your institution and fill up all the required information. Click Next and add your training information along with documents. After adding all the required information, check the boxes and click Next. And we are at the final step. You can pay the amount via credit or debit card or by check or money order. You can save the application for 30 days or click Continue. You'll receive an email that the application has started processing. If there are some documents deficient, they'll contact you via email and ask you to send those documents via email or mail. Once in a while, you should keep checking your ASCP account as you'll get your admission notification there. They'll send you a link to schedule your test. Choose the Pearson Vue Examination Center according to your suitability. Pearson Vue is a global computer-based testing company that provides secure and proctored exams for various professional certifications and academic admissions around the globe through its network of authorized test centers. Here's what an examination center looks like. The ASCP Board of Certification created the Credential Maintenance Program, in which participation is necessary every 3 years to retain certification. Remember to submit your application up to 3 months prior to your credential expiration date. Upon successful completion of the program, you'll receive a 3-year renewal notification for your credential. ASCP certificates are granted a period of free membership to ASCP and discounts on multiple education products such as e-courses and online case studies. So this was all about ASCP. Now, if you're planning to take the test, best of luck! If you have any question about the process, comment below, and if you found the video helpful, subscribe to the channel to stay connected to more medical related content. Thank you.